Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we empower you to diagnose and fix common vehicle issues. Today, we're tackling the P0138 trouble code. If you've got this code, it means your car's computer has detected a high voltage signal from the oxygen sensor. In Bank 1, Sensor 2, don't worry, I'll walk you through what it means and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What does code P0138 mean? A code P0138 suggests to a technician that there is a problem with the oxygen sensor that is mounted in the exhaust system after the catalytic converter. The ECM engine control module has detected the problem and turned on the check engine light. Check engine light is on. Increased fuel consumption, rough idling or stalling, poor engine performance, strong exhaust odor due to rich fuel mixture, failed emissions test. Faulty O2 sensor, wiring issues, exhaust leaks, buildup of contaminated all ash or coolant. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has no seals, and never use the old seals over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set, otherwise the engine will run unevenly. In order to prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it. So the seals may get wet with gasoline, and it will go in and won't leak after all. Just slide all the new fuel injectors in. This oxygen sensor is located right after the catalytic converter bank. One is on the side with the cylinder number 1 sensor. Number 2 is usually the downstream oxygen sensor, behind the converter. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. Once the sensor is replaced, use your OBD-II scanner to clear the code. Then take your car for a test drive to ensure the issue is resolved. If the check engine light stays off, you fixed it. And that's it. Fixing a P0138 code is straightforward when you know the steps. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions or success stories. Until next time, drive safe and keep those engines running smoothly.